Why does your scanner show the P2561 engine code? And what does it mean? P2561 is a diagnostic trouble code for AC control module requested MIL illumination. This error code indicates an AC control module fault that requested the PCM to illuminate the check engine light. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: AC system faults, wiring issues, bad module, communication error, blown fuse or relay. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Honda, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.